It's fall, y'all. Let's make these delicious carrot cake energy balls. These are so delicious, healthy, and energizing. So I've pitted about 12 Medjool dates here, and I'm going to just put some boiling water on them for about 5 minutes. This is just going to soften them up so they're a lot easier to blend up in the blender. So especially if you don't have a super high powered blender. All right, we're gonna start by grating up some carrot here. So about 1 to 2 carrots. We need half a cup of grated carrot total. And then we have our 12 Medjool dates. We're gonna throw this all into our food processor here, and it's gonna blend up so nice and easily. And then I have 1 cup of rolled oats. Little messy. I've got half a cup of walnuts. These are great for your brain. They have healthy fats. They are so good for you. With the mixture of all these ingredients, this is going to be the perfect energizing snack, which is what I love so much about it. But it's just a bonus that it tastes like carrot cake. I'm going to add a little pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon. That is what gives it that beautiful fall flavor. I love that. And next up, to add even more of that fall flavor deliciousness, we are gonna add some nutmeg. So I used to buy nutmeg ground. I didn't know you could buy it in basically a seed like this, which is so cool. And then you just grate a little bit of it on, and it's dried, yes, but I think it's more fresh when you do it like this. Just to taste, just a little pinch of nutmeg. A little bit of nutmeg goes a long way. And another fall flavor. I mean, even on the label, look, there's fall leaves. Like, maple syrup just screams fall to me. So we're gonna add a tablespoon of maple syrup in here as well. All right. And now we're gonna combine this all together for just a couple minutes in our high-powered food processor or blender. I have this small food processor. It fits just this batch. So if you want to make a double batch, you might need a bigger food processor. You could do it in the Vitamix or something like that. But even if your blender isn't super high powered, it's okay. As long as you have soaked those dates ahead of time, you should be good to go. So I'm gonna get the lid on here and we're gonna start blending this up. The consistency isn't quite right. You can add 1 tablespoon of water or coconut milk at a time, like just a little bit, just to get things going. You don't want to mess with it too much, but if you do put too much coconut milk or you do put too much water, all you have to do is add a little bit more oats just to thicken it back up. So we're going to go ahead and try blending that up again. Part, not eating all of this batter before we're ready. So mine is a little bit stickier, which I'm okay with, but like I said, add more oats if you don't want it to be as sticky. They are going to harden up in the fridge as well because we're going to be storing them in the fridge. So I'm going to go ahead and take about 1, big heaping tablespoon and just form that into a ball. And then I'm just going to roll it in coconut. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that with the rest of my batter here. Look at how good those look. I'm gonna let them set in the fridge and enjoy these later. But for right now, I have this, which is basically cookie dough. This is like carrot cake batter deliciousness. Oh, that's so good. Yep, I am gonna be definitely finishing this. This tastes exactly like a cake. This is so good, or a cookie. Who doesn't love cookie dough? Up next, my husband's doing the taste test on these.
Taste test time. Carrot cake. Ball. I couldn't wait for the official taste test.
Alright, if you liked this video and you want to see more videos like this, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.